In IfExample4, we have, again, pulling in some value from the command line, running it through A2L, putting it into the long A, and then checking if A not equal to 0, return 1, else return deceit. Now, you might say, I think I've already seen this comparison before. It's just going to create a branch if not equal. Wrong! It's going to create a branch if not equal to 0. But I can tell you already that that's a pseudo instruction. Horrible, hideous. Kill it with fire. The fire isn't working. We're going to have to just get used to the fact that branch if not equal to 0 is the same thing as a branch if not equal, where you put a 0 in there. So branch if not equal to 0, I'm not going to do a build slide for this. It's just if the source not equal to 0, then branch. And the other thing besides the source is going to be the hard-coded 0 register. So branch if not equal, register source not equal to 0, branch to the offset. All right, well, you can't kill a pseudo instruction with fire, but maybe some chaos magic will work. Let's go ahead and blow it away. Oh no, it's a compressed branch if not equal to 0. So that didn't really work, did it? Well, anyways, you can go ahead and step through the assembly and check your understanding, and I'll be waiting right here for you.